Thank you for choosing Rejuvences. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to use Rejuvences Body Scale. First thing, you need two AAA battery to be inserted in the body scale. Press the set button. Select the unit you wish to use, such as kilogram or pound. Select the gender, adjust the setting according to your height and age. Once all set, you will see the LCD screen showing as 0. This is when you are ready to be measured. Step on the scale with a bare foot. Allow the scale few seconds and the full detailed measurement. Weight, body fat percentage, body water percentage, muscle percentage, bone substance mass, BMI and calories will be displayed on the LCD screen. The scale will be displaying on the measurement on a loop for 3 times on the LCD screen, and the body scale will be automatically switched off. We recommend that you take weekly record of your measurement to monitor your progression journey.